have a breaking news coming in. A massive earthquake with magnitude of 7.1 has struck Nepal, with tremor also felt in Delhi NCR and other parts of North India. There were strong tremors that were felt in several areas of Bihar as well. But thankfully, what we're getting to know is that till now there's been no reports about any damage or loss of life that has come from Nepal. But as per the National Center for Seismology, the earthquake occurred around 6:35 a.m. That is 1 hour back near the Nepal-Tibet border. A magnitude of 7.1 quake is considered strong and is capable of causing severe damage. But till now, we have not heard about any such reports. Crossing over to my colleague Isha, who joins us live in the broadcast. Isha, what we're learning is that a massive earthquake has jolted Nepal. What more are we learning about this?
Akanksha, as you were also pointing out, it has been now an hour since the earthquake of magnitude 7.1 struck the Nepal-Tibet border. In fact, to be exact, to be precise, the place where the earthquake struck was this place called Labush in Nepal, and that is being considered where the maximum damage has been caused. And in fact, as you were rightly pointing out as well, 7.1 is an earthquake which is serious in nature. The magnitude is serious in nature. Anything above 7 is absolutely capable of causing extreme damage to property and life. And what we're hearing so far is that the waves of this earthquake, the tremors of this earthquake were felt across India as well, especially in areas of North India, which does include Bihar as well. We are seeing that people in Bihar came out of their homes to ensure that no ceiling fans or no damage can be caused to them. But in India, so far the Richter scale, the magnitude of the earthquake has been really low, around 3.1, and the earthquake didn't even last that long, roughly, and it ended before 30 seconds only. So it wasn't, luckily it was in India, it wasn't an earthquake which did cause a lot of damage. And but in Nepal, we are expecting to hear from the official sources in a few hours as to what the exact condition is. But Akanksha, 7.1 is a very high magnitude, and we are expecting there may be some visuals of there may be some confirmations of damage to life and property that we may see in the coming few hours.
Well, no doubt, 7.1 earthquake is considered strong and is capable of causing severe damage. And in fact, we've been seeing videos coming from Nepal and also from state of Bihar of people rushing out from their home. We'll keep a close track on this story. Thank you, Isha, for the meanwhile. We'll be taking a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with us.